welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you delicious recipe of hot, spicy and sweet mushrooms from Korean cuisine, guys. So if you love Korean cuisine, this video is gonna be one of the best recipes for you guys, especially. So guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. Here are the ingredients that we are gonna use for this beautiful recipe, guys. I'm gonna share with you all the cooking tips, so please watch till the end. I'm gonna go ahead and start with olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use sesame oil, vegetable oil, any oil that you have available. 2 tablespoons, guys. Then I have apple vinegar. In total, I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons. Then salt, little bit, like half teaspoon. Then I'm gonna use honey, 1 tablespoon. For those of you who have allergy for honey, one of our subscribers has allergy, so for that I suggest you to use sugar instead of honey. So 1 tablespoon of sugar if you are using sugar. Then 1 tablespoon of red hot chili pepper, 1 tablespoon of pepper paste, approximately 70 grams of parsley, 1 piece of green onion, 1 bell pepper, 5 pieces of garlic, approximately 300 grams of mushrooms, 2 pieces of cucumber, and 2 pieces of carrot, guys. So let's start it. So guys, I have prepared all the ingredients. As you see, I've cut the cucumber into 3, and then I've cut them into 2 after that. Then I've cut them into thin slices like this. So what we're gonna need first is we are gonna need a bowl like this. Cucumber goes in. After that, I want to show you, I've cut the carrots into matchsticks. Also, it goes in here. Then guys, I've cut the green pepper also as matchsticks. So cucumber goes in. Then what we are gonna do, guys, is we are gonna salt our veggies, and then we are gonna let it rest for 5 minutes. While we are resting our veggies, I would like to prepare a sauce. So for that, we have here 1 tablespoon of pepper paste. Guys, if you don't have pepper paste, it's okay. You can use tomato paste. Minced garlic, 6 pieces. It also goes in. Then it's a red hot chili pepper. So guys, if you want it really spicy, you can use 2 tablespoons. I can't really take that much spice, so I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon. So this is 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna use honey, 1 tablespoon. For those of you who do not want to use honey or have allergy, you can replace easily with sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar if you are using sugar. So, now guys, it's time for the salt. If you are using salt, it is 1 teaspoon. Then guys, it's time for the apple vinegar. In total, I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons. So 1, 2, 3. And for the oil, as I told you guys, if you have sesame oil, you can use sesame oil. If you have vegetable oil, you can use vegetable oil. I have olive oil, so I'm using olive oil. 2 tablespoons, guys. 1 and then 2. Here is, we make sure that this mix is mixed well, and the taste should be equal. All right. This is the texture that we want in our sauce, all right? When you see it's thick like this, it means it's ready. Guys, now we are gonna blend our mushrooms. For that, I'm gonna open the fire on the highest level. Then I already have pre-boiled water, so I'm gonna add pre-boiled water. After that, I'm gonna add our mushrooms right away. No salt, nothing, guys. Just your mushrooms. And exactly 2 minutes, it should be in the water. After 2 minutes, we will take it out. Meanwhile, guys, it has been already 5 minutes since we've salted our veggies. So what we do is, before taking out, just with your hands, squeeze them. You see the water? That's the point. The water should go out. You squeeze it, and then you place into a bowl. Minutes, I'm closing the fire. I'm taking the mushrooms out. Very important point here is we have to wash it with cold water twice, guys. All right. Do this twice, guys. So after you've squeezed them, we are gonna add the mushrooms here into our veggies. Now, guys, it's time for the green onions. Green onions, basically half finger size, all right, guys? Just lengthwise, cut them like this. It's time for them. Then I'm gonna add the parsley. Again, parsley, I haven't cut in small sizes. It's also half finger size, all right, guys? After that, it's time for the sauce that we've prepared. Just add it. All of them. If you want, you can mix it with the spoon or with your hands. Guys, this is how it's gonna look like at the final. Make sure you mix it well, because the sauce shall be all around. Bon appetit, guys. Voila, this is how you make my favorite Korean recipe. So guys, thank you for watching our video. If you have any kind of comments, we will be glad to hear from you. And if you are our subscriber, give us some love in our comments. We'll be happy to hear from you. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel. If you are already a subscriber, what is your favorite dish from Korean cuisine that you know from us? Wishing you all to have a nice and cozy evening, guys. Goodbye.